1926 Silver Crest. The homeowner is home with a puppy. It may bark. Okay, I'm going to head inside now. So we have hard floors at the entry and an office right off of the front to the right. The walls are a little darker than tan, so we need 1 2.5 inch forward blind there. Powder room where the hard flooring continues, and lots of storage. So a little accent color here. So the water heater is in the far corner. Okay. Not sure what's going on right there. There's some texture to the doors, which is nice. It's not the cheaper flat ones. So we have a change in wall color here to a little darker, upgraded light fixture. So we're at window 2, 3, possibly some verticals here, depending on what Jenny says. And we do have the blinds that we like over here. Okay, so let's just step into the backyard. We do have some grass. This tree provides some privacy from the rear neighbor, which is nice. I'll head upstairs really quickly. Thank you.
I don't know how they left the master. That's my daughter's.
Okay.
I hope it's okay.
Okay, thank you. And we have the plantation shutters on the stairs. I don't think we need lines up there. So that was 4 total downstairs, including the one that was already present in the kitchen. So upstairs I'm going to start a new count, which is 1, 2. Count this one anyway, because it's better to have it on than not. Even though it looks to be in pretty good condition, it's bent a little bit in the middle. It's probably fine, but I'll go ahead and count that as 3. Ooh, oops. Probably new carpet and possibly a repaint. That is definitely a Jenny call. Okay. And switching this out to a door that doesn't lock. I think I smell smoke. Fix this light switch. A nice backsplash. So in this room we have 1 window, two windows in here. This light switch needs to be fixed too. Okay.